Welcome back to Stepping with Shorty tutorials. Today I'm going to be introducing a series of short videos to help beginners to intermediate drawers. These videos are going to focus around using familiar shapes to build up our drawing skills. Not everyone uses these methods, but it's a good start. These drawings are created with Photoshop for convenience, but the same ideas can be used with pencil and paper. Throughout the video, I will be using different colors to demonstrate the steps I take, as well as a bit of copy and pasting. Thanks for tuning in, leave a comment and a like, and enjoy! This tutorial focused on the big shapes and then refining. This first little section is just me laying down basically the cement borders of this beautiful garden. Then in the second one, I started to add in these purple shapes for the kind of puffed trees and the little bushes and the center kind of pointier tree in the middle. Then what I started to do was I started to refine those lines down and kind of work on my proportions and perspective. Perspective is very important to figure out in your drawings right away so that your lines don't look janky. The lines that I'm erasing and moving around were a little janky, so I decided to use my eraser tool, get in there and start refining and working things in. In the fourth box there, you can see that I've gone in with blue, and this is adding in those kind of puffier little shrubberies with the yellow flowers, and I really wanted to start adding in those details. In the next section, I went in and I started refining those shapes with a darker pencil. At this point, I'm looking for more detail, but again, with these drawings, I'm not looking for a ton of details. I'm more looking for perspectives, big shapes, so that I can understand where I need to go back in later on. These drawings are just focused on getting your shapes down with the fundamental shapes. So using triangles, circles, ovals, and then getting the shapes down later. The last step that I was going to do was a little extra. I just went in and I wanted to put in some value, so I started to just block in some green. And I know that the picture isn't all green, but that's not the point of this. I really wanted to just work on what was what, and especially illustrating it to you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know that these are not that detailed, but I hope it helps. See you next time.